Hola! In today's video, we are going to work on getting that flamenco look. And that does not mean getting little spit curls or putting on a little rose in your hair. I'm talking about developing that strength and mobility in that upper body so that it makes a movement seem más flamenca, right? So if you don't know me, my name is Rina Orellana. I have an online flamenco studio for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels. And there you can learn technique, choreography, and flamenco theory in a vibrant community in a very systematic way and with lots of encouragement and lots of love. So be sure to click the link below for your free 10-day trial. But let's begin on getting that flamenco look. So I get this complaint, lament, sorrow from student dancers all the time after they see themselves dancing on video. They think that they are dancing flamenco because they know the moves, they're in compás, but there's something lacking. And usually what that is, it's that carriage and strength in the upper body. Because you can do a movement, but if there's no pop to it, no muscle memory, then it looks bland. So one way to develop that strength and mobility in the body, of course, is experience, years of experience, but let's work on some exercises here. So the idea is that what makes a movement go from just boring to something with a pop, it's the accent and the breath that goes into the movement, and then it's lifting up that rib cage here and there, okay? So first exercise we're gonna do, and we're gonna do 3 different exercises here. First exercise is we're gonna lift up that rib cage. So right here, lift up the rib cage. So pretend that you have little hinges right back here, and you're gonna lift up that rib cage. Lift up that rib cage. Now, you don't want to stick your butt out while doing it. You want to kind of lock it in there, but you want to be able to lift. So then lift and lift. Oh my goodness. And lift. So this movement, lifting up the chest, and really extending the abs, comes from lifting your arms up. So when you lift your arms up, you can lift it like that, right? And that doesn't really say anything. Or you can really lift them way up. All right, so that was the first exercise is lifting up the rib cage here. Now we're gonna supersize that by also engaging the upper back. And we're gonna go pop with the arms, okay? And so we're gonna just do a few of these. We're gonna go and up, and down, and then we'll put the left foot forward and up and down. And when you're going up, when you're lifting your arms up, really kind of think about that you're lifting a heavy weight, and you're trying to lift that up or throw something up in the air. So you want to engage the abs here and engage that back, that upper back, okay? So here we go. We're going to go and pop and pop and pop and pop. So now the next exercise is basically taking a breath. So, you can go through a movement. So, for example, we'll do that side marking. Ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. You can just lift your arms, and that doesn't really say anything, but you want to have the breath in it. So that will be ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-da, ba-da, and up, ba-dum, ba, and down, ba, ba-da, ba-da, up. Okay, so it's that idea of taking the breath, okay? So let's just practice that a little bit here. So I'm doing the side marking of out, cross out, back, forward, forward, cross, and up. That and up is that you're thinking of the movement before it happens. So you're kind of taking that breath, like, okay, and up. All right, and then we'll slowly bring the arms down. So out, cross out, back, forward, forward, cross, and up. Ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-da, ba-da, ah, ba-da, ba, ba-da, ba, ba-dum, ba-da. One more time, up, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay? All right, so what we've done so far was we had lifting up the rib cage, engaging that upper back, and taking the breath. All right, so another element is that what we're gonna have is opening up the side waist. Okay, so so much of in flamenco is, you know, just lifting up one arm, and there's gonna be movement, but you want to be able to make it more impactful by lifting up that rib cage slightly. Okay, so what I mean by that is you have your rib cage, right? And now you're pulling on one side, lifting up and down. Other side, lift up and down. Now, if you had any belly dance experience, you've been working this movement all along of just lifting up the rib cage. So it's kind of like taking a breath. Like you're kind of, when you take a breath in, you're expanding that rib cage on one side and release. Expanding on one side and release. Now let's practice that with one arm. We're gonna go up. So I'm opening up that side waist, opening up that side rib cage, and down. And now the left, up and down. And up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. So every time that I lift that arm up, I'm really feeling my abs engaged, always, 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 and just kind of feeling that. All right, so we have lifting up the rib cage in the front, engaging that upper back. We also have engaging the side waist, or the rib cage on the side. Now the next one is the twist. Okay, so the twist is basically using your waist for a strong accent. And when you're doing that, the shoulder comes forward and the other shoulder goes back. However, you don't want to go, ooh, have it be all so much shoulder. You want to have it more be that upper back, okay? So right now I'm firmly planted on the ground here, and I'm going to lift up the chest a little bit as I bring the arm forward. And pop, and pop, and pop. And we're still using that idea of the breath. And and pop, and pop, and pop, and and okay, so what do we have now? We have lifting up the chest, pop, and using that upper back. We have the idea of taking the breath. We have lifting up the rib cage on the side. And then we have a twist. All right, so let's do a drill now where we're gonna do all those elements. So we're gonna do side marking of out. Well, first we'll bring our arms up, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da, up, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-da, and then we'll do first, go to the front with the side, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da, and ba, ba-dum, 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 ba-da, and then we'll go bum, ba-dum, 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 ba-da, ba-dum, 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 ba-da. But I'll slow that down with music now. Let's begin. So we'll be working this combination in the palo of Guajira. 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, we're going to breathe in between each movement and really focus on engaging the abs, keeping the shoulders down, engaging that upper back, and lifting, breathing, extending. 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down. up the chest and up, down. Keep that chest lifted and up. Last one and up. And now to the front on the right. 12, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, up, ba, ba, da, ba. Keep that abs engaged, up, and up. 7, 8, 9, 10, and twist, down, and twist, and down, and keep the back engaged, and pop. All right, from the beginning, 7, 8, 9, 10, up, ba, ba, and up, and open, up, and breathe, up. Okay, and now we'll go faster with the front here. Ba, ba, da, ba, left, ba, ba, da, and up, ba, da, ba. Again, 10 and right, and left. Last compás, and right, and left. And now twist, 3, and twist, 10 and 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, pop. And really kind of think that you are kind of throwing a weight. So you need to have a strong base to have that movement come through. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, last round. 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. And up. Up. And really resist the arms coming down. And now arm front. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and up. And up. Repeat again. And right. 3, 4, 5, 6. And really think, open at the rib cage. Last time. And now we're going to twist. Twist. 3, 4, 5, 6. Really engage those abs. Think that you're throwing a weight around. And keep that base strong. And up. Belly button in. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last compás. Thank you for joining me in this little exercise to get that flamenco look in that upper body, which is all about strength and mobility and pop. If you want to continue your dance studies with me, I encourage you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a wonderful membership for dancers from new beginners through advanced levels. We have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory because it's important for me that you speak, feel, and dance flamenco. Speaking as flamenco is all about understanding the structure and the different palos in flamenco dances. Feeling flamenco is understanding the aire, the energy of the palo, and also cultivating that courage to stand up and be seen. And of course, the dancing flamenco is all about the technique and keeping it simple and strong. Be sure to check out the Online Flamenco Studio with the free 10-day trial with the link right over here, and I will see you next time.